Hey, it's Frankie Cola, and in this video I want to talk to you about what to do when you get rejected by a girl. I want to talk about 3 steps to come back stronger. These 3 steps are the 3 keys to reattracting that girl who got away and getting her back. You are spending time with a girl you really like, and you decide to do the big move because you can't take it anymore. You can't take the uncertainty of not knowing whether she likes you or not. You just have to know. And her mixed signals aren't helping. So you decide to go for it. Maybe you directly tell her how you feel, or maybe you lean in and go for the kiss, but she rejects you. She turns her face and gives you the shake, or she says, "I only like you as a friend," and it feels terrible. And yes, although now you might have some closure, you still feel really bad, and you wish you knew a way to turn this around. Well, I'm glad you're watching, because in this video, I will give you the 3 keys, the 3 mind shifts you need to make in order to win back a girl who rejected you. Now, to take a deeper dive on how to get a girl back, just go to championsofmen.com/getthegirl. Now, our good friend Mario had a similar experience to this situation we're talking about getting rejected by a girl, and he emailed me about it. Dear Frankie, I recently broke up with my girlfriend and haven't been able to get over her. I spent months and months trying to get over her, but now, just 2 weeks ago, I finally met a new girl who made me feel better about myself. To be very honest, and this may sound silly, I was barely in contact with this new girl for only 2 weeks, and she was the first one who cured my one-itis immediately. Now, a bit of backstory. We met online in a Facebook group. Our first chat was about 3 to 4 hours long. She is very smart. She nurtured me and helped me get over my breakup. The words of comfort she told me broke through the computer monitor and into my heart. Sometimes she said things that I literally felt physically. It feels as if she has given me more in 2 weeks than anyone else in a lifetime. Never had this feeling before. So we finally met and we talked a lot. But when we said goodbye, we hugged and I tried to kiss her, but she denied. She laughed about it. It was very awkward. And in that moment, I just knew she didn't feel the same way about me. I told her I think we are compatible, that we know each other's story, inside and out, but she just wanted to remain as friends. What do you think went wrong? P.S. She also said she's afraid to hurt me and that I'm a giver person and that I should watch out for people who wanna take advantage of me. Mario. And this is my reply. Mario, most likely it wasn't something you did on the date, but something you did in the weeks beforehand. All the hours and hours of texting and calling, all this made her place you in the friend category. She connected and cared about you, but only as a friend. The messages you sent her and the manner in which you flirted with her determined the role you were playing. Were you building sexual tension and chemistry? Or was she giving you therapy and making you feel better about yourself? This is key. This is the big thing that made her place you in the friend category. And it's that she was in nurturing mode with you. See, some women are wonderful in that they're great at nurturing you. And this girl that you met seems amazing in that way. However, when a woman is in mommy mode and helping you with your feelings, it isn't conducive to making her feel sexual attraction for you. Mommy mode and making her feel sexual attraction can't both happen at the same time. It's either one or the other. Now here are 3 keys to becoming more attractive and winning a girl back. Key number 1, aim for the lover zone and not the boyfriend zone. I know this is counterintuitive, but you basically want to aim for the lover zone, not the boyfriend zone. Only later, when she's more attracted to you, does she try to make you her boyfriend herself by asking you questions like, "So, what are we?" And then that's how you convert the fling into a more official relationship. If your attitude is that you want to have fun and fool around, you'll probably do a lot better. However, if you're putting her on a pedestal and treating her special, it's going to come across that you really needed to work with her. Key number 2 is don't devalue yourself and don't put the girl on a pedestal. The way you say she's given you more in 2 weeks than anyone else in a lifetime shows that you've devalued yourself while putting her way up high on a pedestal. You feel that she is up in this pedestal because she gave you a lifetime of attention in those 2 weeks, and you got addicted to to her validating you and giving you good emotions. When you're in female scarcity, this happens. You already feel empty from breaking up with a girl, and then another girl fills that hole, and you become so dependent on her that you overvalue her. It makes you give up your power, and it lowers your attractiveness because she senses you're so needy. And like I said before, when a girl is in nurturing mode and healing you because you feel like a wounded puppy, you're creating an interaction that doesn't create attraction. I mean, it's great that she nurtured you and that you feel better about yourself, but if she stopped nurturing you by going silent over text and you feel an emptiness, are you actually better or just emotionally dependent on her? Did you just find a new drug to replace an old one? And now comes key number 3, and that's start meeting other women. Develop an abundance mentality and start having more female options in your mind. To win back a girl who rejected you, get good with women in general. Low-level thinking is desperately looking for the trick to attract your crush. High-level thinking is learning the skills to get good with women in general. Are you obsessing over one girl? When your mind feels that there's only one girl in the world for you, that's called having a scarcity mentality. And when you feel like this, it's easy to develop an intense crush on that one girl. And as a result, you become dependent on the girl's validation. You depend on her treating you nicely to feel good about yourself. This causes you to do needy shit that makes you unattractive. You easily get jealous. You become clingy and possessive. You develop this elaborate romantic fantasy about the girl in your mind, and you want to fulfill this fantasy. So you get so attached to it that you become needy for it. And if this is you, nothing kicks you out of one-itis better than thinking about other women and interacting with them. When you do this, you start thinking in terms of abundance. Yes, I know you feel your crush is the only girl for you, and that if you let her go, she'll forget you and she'll go find some other guy. This is what you feel. But the reality is that obsessively pursuing this girl when it isn't working only puts you in a deeper hole. And to break out of that hole, you need to reset her weak image of you and replace it with a strong image. To do this, you must first go no contact. Second, reset her image of you by doing a pattern interrupt. And third, come back stronger than ever before. The secret of how to win back a girl who rejected you is to change her image of you. Because here's the bottom line. You must break this image to make her think of you differently. How do you do it? There's an intriguing little mind game called the Scrambler that when you use it on a girl, it shifts this pattern of interaction and makes her strongly attracted to you. To learn more about the Scrambler, just go to championsofmen.com/get the girl. I'm Frankie Cola, thanks for watching, and look out for more videos.